Why is it idling so fast? I mean, the idle adjustment's all the way in. Watch this. There's the problem right there. What are we going to do about it? Now I'm thinking here, I lubed this about 2 years ago. And you can see the wetness right here and here and here and here where I put the oil. Well, I didn't have Miracle Lube back then. So we're going to lubricate everything up with Miracle Lube, including the linkage that goes down to the transmission right there. All right, let's start with the pins. What's so great about this is it wicks and it doesn't dry up like regular lubricants. Okay, now I'm going to come down here and do the shaft. And then I'll do each of these ball sockets. It actually can wick uphill here. Now, this is really important on not just these old gas engines, but diesels. I've had problems, throttle sticking while you're driving, and that can be really scary, especially if it sticks going wide open. Now this is a full synthetic, so you don't have to worry about putting this on plastic. I'm gonna have to exercise it here. You can see here, watch, it's still not pulling it all the way down on this spring. So I'm going to go off camera and exercise this some more until I get to the point where I release this, and this spring is going to pull this all the way back to the stop. From experience, I've found that almost always severe throttle sticking is due to corrosion in these pins. I've had to actually remove the C-clips and take the linkage off and clean it thoroughly with the Scotch-Brite and then put it back together. But in this case, the Miracle Lube wicked down, and I sat here and worked this back and forth right there because I figured this was the culprit right there. I'm going to just wipe off a little bit of the excess here. Okay, let's test it. Okay, we're going to apply full throttle and then release. Now we're going to come in here and push and see if it's right up against the idle stop. So we have eliminated that problem with some really good lubricant. And this doesn't just apply to these old V8s, but diesels, other vehicles. All right, now I'm going to just reach in and start it without getting in the car. Let's see how the idle works now. Well, I would say that's quite an improvement. The moral of this story is keep that throttle linkage lubricated.